Bum 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 bum. Whoop. Hello again, everybody, and welcome back to Drum Lessons with Mr. Rickman. I've got a fun lesson for you today. We are going to talk about two different rudiments, slightly more advanced rudiments, but very easy to understand. We have a 5-stroke roll and a 7-stroke roll. Now, this family of rudiments comes in lots of different sizes, but the idea is always the same. You always end up with an odd number of notes because it is some doubles, right, left, left, with a 1 on the end. So a 5-stroke roll is 2 rights, 2 lefts, and a 1 right on the end. Double, double, 1. You can also start it on your left hand, left, left, right, left. Or you could do one of each. A righty one, lefty one. The 7-stroke roll is the same thing, but you have an extra double in there. So to make 7, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bonk. 7th is the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, you can lead with your left also. Now, that's the basics of these explained. You can also get 9-stroke rolls, which are double, 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 1. You get 11-stroke rolls, which are double, 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 1. 13-stroke rolls, 15-stroke rolls. It's all just some doubles and then a 1. That's why it's always an odd number. Now, that's the theory of it explained. There's nothing more clever to talk about. I just want to show you a couple of fun ways you can use these. So, let's do the boring stuff first. Number 1, we'll do a few 5-stroke rolls. We'll do a righty one, then a lefty one. Let's actually do it on the drums, shall we? I'm going to use a low tom and a snare drum so you can hear the difference. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Let's do a bunch of that. 1, 2, 3, go. A little faster. A little faster. 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 And that's cool. That's nice. 5-stroke rolls. And you don't just have to keep them on 2 drums or 1 drum. That's the beauty of them. You can put them wherever. Let me play a little more 5-stroke roll for you, but I'm going to try and use more of the kit. Tap along with me, just right, left, right, then left, right, left. Here I go. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes to life a little bit. If you want to get super clever, let's try and do some feet with that. Let's get the feet to go right, left, and see if you can do this with me. I'm just going right, left, right, left, right. And that could be very useful if you sped it up. It'll be interesting if you try and do the lefty version as well, because then the feet will be a little bit mismatched. you'll get then left, left. Just an idea there, add some feet in, makes it come to life. So, there's not often on the drums you get to play something that long and solo-y. Most of the time you'd be using this as a fill. So, there's one cool way we can do that. Let me show you it first. I like the way that sounds. I'm just doing the 5-stroke roll as it's written here. The righty, then the lefty. But I'm shortening the gap in between. I'm not going Coca-Cola tea, Coca-Cola tea. I'm making the gap smaller. So it becomes Coca-Cola black currant lemonade, rest. Coca-Cola black currant lemonade, rest. Coca-Cola black currant lemonade, rest. So let's see if we can make that happen. Coca-Cola black currant lemonade, rest. Where am I pointing? Coca-Cola black currant lemonade, rest. Da 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 da. We'll try a few of those. I'll do a bunch of them. Join in if you can. Da da do do da do do da da do. Go. Brilliant. Now I'll put some rock beat in between that and see if you can join in with at least the bit. 1, 2, 3, here I go. I'll show you how that would be a little bit quicker. That's quite cool. All just from a little easy looking rudiment. Right, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left. Move it around a kit, it'll sound interesting. Loads of fun. Okay, stage 2. We'll talk about the 7-stroke roll for a minute. It's the same thing, there's just an extra double in there. 7-stroke roll, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do the boring version first. Do do dee dee do do dee. And we'll do a righty then a lefty and we'll keep alternating. 1, 2, 3, go. That's fair enough. I'll show you it a little quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's wrong. Diddle 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Diddle 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 dit, diddle 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 dit. It ends up being the size of Coca-Cola lemonade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coca-Cola, lemonade. Da, 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 da. Double, 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 1. Yeah, okay. So let's see if we can make that useful. I'll try again to use it as a fill. Yeah, I like doing that. I'm going to use my toms to go double, 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 snare. Then again, next tom, double, 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 snare. One more tom. That would be 3, won't it? I'm just going to end with something like, just to fill the space. That's cool. And it seems easy to let all of those be righty ones. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Blam, blam, blam. Okay, so we'll do some rock beat and then we'll do dee 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 da. That as a fill. That's going to be 2 bars long. Yeah, that's going to be a big, long, juicy fill. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, beat. 1, 2, 3, go. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's nice. Double, 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 1, double, 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 1, double, 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 1. And just like all of these rudiments, they come to life most when you comfortably have them in your skills library, and then you can let your hands wander around. Do 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 da. Let me see if I can fill 30 interesting seconds for you just by going do 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 da. Double 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 1. Just a chunk of music only made of double, double, double 1. These things are proper weapons once you have great control of them. I like that one a lot. So, let your imaginations run wild. There must be a million fills you can make up with 5-stroke rolls and 7-stroke rolls. And you can incorporate them into your beats. Let's say you're playing a rock beat. You hear that little sneaky tick, 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 tick. Double, 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 double. Because if you're playing a rock beat, you normally have a right hand on a hi-hat, left hand on a snare drum. So see if you can incorporate a quick 5-stroke roll or a 7-stroke roll into there. Yeah, that would be quite easy. So in the normal 4 notes of your rock beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, start a 5-stroke roll on the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 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 left, left, right, right. Yeah, what an interesting little bit of seasoning, little bit of flavour to put in your rock beats. There we have it. Loads of fun to be had. Let's say you're playing a 16 beat. Well, you see, you've already got your hands doing constant single strokes there. So if you double some of them up, you will no doubt come up with a 5-stroke roll, or a 7-stroke roll, or a 9-stroke roll, however many you do. So you're doing a 16 beat, you're going bass 2, 3, 4, snare 2, 3, 4, bass 2, 3, 4, snare 2, 3, 4. How about we lead up to the snare with a couple of doubles, like this. Yeah. Single, double, double, snare, 2, 3, 4. Single, double, double, snare, 2, 3, 4. We've hidden a 5-stroke roll in there. Single, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Now that would be a bit much if you did it all the time. But just as a little occasional tasty bit, it's cool. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Just a couple of easy bits of thinking, easy bits of creativity, and you've turned something quite mundane into something quite cool. Okay, there's my lesson. 5-stroke rolls and 7-stroke rolls, and all the wonderful things that are possible if you be a little bit creative with them after having got good at them. Mix them, match them, find weird, interesting places to put them. They're proper great tools. Properly great tools. Right, I'll end the lesson by just playing for you for 1 minute, seeing how many 5-stroke rolls and 7-stroke rolls I can squeeze in here and there. Right, thank you very much. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Loads of fun to be had. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck practicing your 5-stroke rolls and 7-stroke rolls and finding interesting ways to make them come to life. Thank you very much.